Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or off live captions and the volume control settings on your Samsung Galaxy A55. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the setting gear button on your mobile and then tap the settings. And then here now at your mobile settings, and then you need to go down and find and locate this accessibility, and then you need to tap this accessibility. So here now at accessibility, and then next step, then you need to select this hearing enhancement and then tap again. So here now at hearing enhancement, and then you need now to select this live captions and then tap again. So here now at live captions, so live captions detects speech on your device and automatically generates captions. Okay, so all you have to do is to scroll down again, and then you need to find this live captions and volume control. So if you want to enable or disable, and then you need to toggle to the right or left this button. So toggle this button so that it means it's already enabled or turned on. If you want to disable, and toggle this button to the left. Alright, so it's already disabled. Or otherwise, just click inside the oval to turn it off or on like this on my screen. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.